Thank you very much. I'll see ya.
Anytime.
Thank you. I'm supposed to let that guy go. So these brakes are new and they need to be broken in, so that's what the squeaking is. And I'll show off what it looks like in a bit. And for those of you who complain, oh, you're going in the wrong direction. Well, you can here. It's literally marked in the pavement. See? Except bikes. Throttle works.
Music licensing reimagined.
The pedaling works. The brakes work. This shit is awesome. Gonna be a real short ride. Where's this bus gonna go? I imagine it's gonna park. Yes, it is. Almost ran over a dead rat, you. Let's do a walk around here. All right, you guys, check this out. I'll do a proper intro in a moment.
Greetings, and thanks for sticking around, e-biker desperados. This is the ARIEL Rider X-Class 52 volt. And towards the end of 2022, we acquired this e-bike, mostly because of its popularity, and with the intention of selling it as soon as enough ride-along footage was made on YouTube, as it was rather pricey at the time, and had another e-bike in mind. It's funny how life is sometimes. But the X-Class came into the collection at the right time, because in 2023 our main e-bike, the Denzel Samurai, was out of action due to a bad battery, and lost the riding season with it, looking for a new one. So we started to use this X-Class to commute, handle errands, and just ride around really. A very effective e-bike as proven by referencing playlists linked in the description below for all our adventures over the years in Chicago. Totally under the radar as far as law enforcement is concerned, had zero issues in that department, and barely had any run-ins with any loudmouth Karens. In fact, the opposite is true. Had multiple people stop by and ask questions like how much, how far, how fast, etc. Certainly don't like leaving it outside, but when needed, it's been secured to a post of some kind and nothing has happened to it so far. Also was able to barely fit this e-bike inside a 2023 Chevy Bolt EV 2LT. And you should remove the battery to make it lighter when lifting, in case that little tidbit helps. A quick rundown of the basics on this Aerial Rider X-Class is, it carries a 1000 watt rear hub motor at 2000 watt peak, 52 volt 20 amp hertz lithium-ion battery, Tektro Dorado hydraulic brakes, 160 millimeter rotors, 2x4 fat tires, front lamp and brake light with turn signals, Shimano 7-speed drivetrain for pedaling or twist throttle to advance, and can reach up to 36 miles an hour speeds according to a GPS app. For all other details, reference video in the end card at the conclusion for our first overdue review post, and with all the speed test reels you can watch. In this 3-year review video, we'll go over what we've modded so far to give it this cool beach cruiser look you see now. Previously, we added flat out in the inner tubes to deal with punctures, installed extended handlebar for miscellaneous mounts, a bike bell, gold aftermarket pedals, add motor bike mirrors, reflective tape, decals, and LED lights so to be seen better at night. And very recently had the brake lines bled, the brake pads replaced, and since the original tires were starting to wear down, these brand new and real cool looking polar bear tires were just installed. Would like to give a big shout out to Luna Alley Bikes here on the far north side of Chicago, who has been the only place to maintain this neat gizmo. From what the original plan, which was to ride it and get rid of it, to this moment that it is now a part of our stable of e-bikes, I am very happy to have acquired it. Besides the original price, this toy has not disappointed, and it would take an offer one couldn't refuse in order to get rid of it. This review is an opinion with no bias, just a customer purchase expressing gratitude for an electric bike that can beat traffic jams, save time on commuting, save money on maintaining a vehicle or filling up with gas, looking and paying for parking, as well as save on car insurance due to low mileage. Aerial Rider brand of bikes is highly recommended, especially now that their pricing is much lower than before and they have the newer X-Class 60 volt e-bike to play with. But always remember to check your local laws, because here in the Windy City and neighboring suburbs, the coppers really don't care. As long as you're not creating chaos, you can ride however the hell you want. Streets, bike lanes, trails, footpaths, the sidewalk, anything. The onus is on the rider. Anyway, hoping this video has been very informative. Enjoy the aerial footage with the drone and how it looks at night with all the lights and LEDs on display. Please do not hesitate to like and subscribe as we climb closer to 1,000 subs. We very much appreciate all your support. In the meantime, you all stay well, stay safe, have a happy new year. Ciao, friends.